I am about to reveal a secret that most people don't realize until it is far too late. Deep inside your body, two bean-shaped organs are working 24 hours a day, filtering nearly 150 quarts of blood every single cycle. But here is the terrifying truth. Your kidneys are silent. Unlike a heart that thumps or lungs that wheeze, your kidneys don't complain when they are struggling. They simply wither away in silence. Today, I am going to show you exactly how to stop that process. I'm sharing the top 4 foods that act like a biological flush to pull toxins out of your system and potentially save your life. And the best part? These aren't expensive pills or complicated surgeries. They are sitting in your grocery store right now. Most people believe kidney problems only happen to other people, the elderly or the chronically ill. But in our modern world of processed salts, hidden sugars, and environmental pollutants, our internal filters are being slammed with more waste than they were ever evolved to handle. Think of your kidneys like the oil filter in your car. If you never change the oil, the filter gets clogged. In your body, that gunk is called uremic toxins. When these build up, you start feeling symptoms that you might be ignoring right now. Do you wake up with puffy eyes? Are your ankles swollen by the end of the day? Do you notice bubbles in your urine, or are you visiting the bathroom 3 times every night? These aren't just signs of getting older. These are your kidneys screaming for help. If you don't act, you are looking at a future of dialysis, a machine doing the job your body should be doing for you. But it doesn't have to be that way. Let's start with number 1, the humble bean. For years, people were told to avoid beans if they had kidney issues because of the potassium and phosphorus. But modern science has turned that on its head. Beans, specifically kidney beans and black beans, are the brooms of the digestive tract. Why? Because they are packed with high-quality plant protein. Here's the secret. Animal protein, like red meat, produces a high amount of acid ash during digestion. This acid forces your kidneys to work overtime to neutralize it. Plant protein from beans, however, is alkaline forming. It's like giving your kidneys a day off. Furthermore, beans are loaded with fiber. This fiber binds to toxins in your gut, toxins like urea and creatinine, and pulls them out of your body before they ever even reach your bloodstream. This means your kidneys never have to see those toxins at all. By eating just half a cup of beans daily, you are effectively hiring a cleaning crew for your blood. If you are worried about potassium, simply soak your dry beans overnight and rinse them. This removes the excess while keeping the kidney-saving nutrients. Number 2 is tofu. Now, before you look away because you aren't a vegetarian, listen to this. A landmark study published in the Journal of Nutrition found that replacing just 1 serving of meat a day with soy protein like tofu significantly reduced the strain on the kidney's filtration rate. Your kidneys have millions of tiny filters called nephrons. High-pressure animal fats can scar these nephrons over time. Tofu contains isoflavones, which are natural compounds that reduce inflammation exactly where it matters most, in those tiny filters. Tofu is also low in saturated fat and contains 0 cholesterol. When your cholesterol is low, your blood flows more easily, meaning your kidneys don't have to use high blood pressure to push blood through the filters. High blood pressure is the number 2 cause of kidney failure worldwide. By choosing tofu, you are essentially lowering the water pressure in your internal plumbing, preventing your pipes from bursting. It is a soft, versatile food that absorbs the flavor of whatever you cook it with, making it the perfect stealth health food for your kidney repair journey. You've heard the saying, an apple a day keeps the doctor away, but for a kidney specialist, that saying is a literal truth. Apples are the ultimate kidney superfood because of a specific fiber called pectin. Pectin is a soluble fiber that has been shown to reduce many of the risk factors associated with kidney damage. When you have high blood sugar, those sugar molecules act like shards of glass, scratching the inside of your kidneys. Apples have a low glycemic index, and the pectin helps to blunt blood sugar spikes, protecting those delicate tissues from sugar scarring. Moreover, apples are incredibly low in potassium and sodium, which are the two main things people with kidney concerns are told to monitor. They are also high in anti-inflammatory compounds like quercetin. Think of quercetin as a soothing balm for your internal organs. It calms the inflammation that causes chronic kidney disease. Whether it is a Honeycrisp, a Gala, or a Granny Smith, the skin of the apple contains the highest concentration of these antioxidants. Just make sure you wash them thoroughly to remove any pesticides, which are toxins your kidneys definitely don't need. Finally, we have number 4, yogurt. This works through a fascinating biological pathway called the gut-kidney axis. Scientists have discovered that when your gut is unhealthy, it leaks uremic toxins into your blood. These toxins are like poison to your kidneys. However, high-quality yogurt is filled with good bacteria known as probiotics. These bacteria actually eat nitrogen and urea in the gut. Yes, you heard that right. The bacteria in your yogurt do the kidney's job for them before the waste can even enter the blood. By consuming a small bowl of plain, unsweetened Greek yogurt daily, you are populating your gut with a micro-kidney army. This reduces the overall toxic load on your actual kidneys, allowing them time to heal and regenerate. Look for labels that say live and active cultures to ensure you are getting the real benefit. If you are dairy sensitive, almond or soy yogurts with added probiotics provide the same cleansing effect without the inflammation. Taking care of your kidneys doesn't have to be a mystery. It starts with your next meal. By adding beans, tofu, apples, and yogurt to your weekly routine, you aren't just eating, you are providing your body with the tools it needs to flush out years of toxic buildup. Remember, your kidneys are your body's most precious filters. Treat them with respect, and they will keep you vibrant and energetic for decades to come. If you found this information life-saving, please hit that subscribe button and share this video with someone you love. We are on a mission to help 1 million people reclaim their health naturally. Comment below with the word health if you are committing to trying one of these foods this week. I read every single comment. Stay healthy, and I will see you in the next video.